Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
As a parent, I know my child needs more space to play and to learn. A school which learns him better and teaches him better, where he finds live models for love, affection and dedication, where he can nurture his individuality and be a future leader. And here's where I stand. Blessings International School, Tirukurakkundram, Jingpynlip.
For admissions, contact 9688 812 73730
Myntri ke Tnat Bording u Abu Tahir Mondal ulaong bagajalakan Lait nak Jingpynlip Bording kumba kalong menta. Ula batay bagajingduna slap kadai gawai ni bakta bahaya kani gejala henry wala kataru bawala lakiar nak Jingpynlip ding henry ke sarkar kan kampun dunaya ke Jingpynlip ding dak bathawun kilat kilinti.
Based, and we are taking all the steps possible to see that the load shedding hours are minimized. Same. Yeah, that's why I'm telling the situation will continue till we get some relief in the grid. Number one is not available. The rate is so high, you cannot afford. No, this is a completely different thing. It is not that we are financial crunch, that's why. You can buy up to a limit, no? You cannot go beyond that. That will put us more in financial crunch. Nothing to do with previous government and all these things. See, this time rain is very erratic, unless other years where you used to receive rainfall in the month of February, March also. This time we are in a continuing situation. Though some neighboring states are receiving rainfall, we are not receiving rainfall. Only yesterday we got some quality rainfall, but that is not going to improve the scenario. See, when our own Leshka, because of no water, we got to shut down completely. And if you go down to Borapani, you see the storage capacity. Last week when I reviewed, the water level was somewhere like 3,703 feet and all these things. So it keeps on falling, and we may have to shut down this one also. They have told me also, and I assured them that other than this scheduled load shedding, if anything is there, what happens? Sometimes they go for shutdown for some repair work, this and that. So we'll try to see that these works are done in the load shedding times, so that extra load shedding is not there. Then cleaning up jungles and all these things, manpower, all issues are there. Then 132 kV lines, we'll try to resolve as far as possible. I'll be having a review meeting on this.